Everyone's talking about AI, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini. But what if I told you what you're seeing right now is nothing compared to what's coming? We're moving into AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. And what is the difference? It's like comparing a Kentucky Rounder to a spaceship. What I find crazy is that a lot of South Africans aren't even aware or know about AGI, which means we actually aren't ready for the change. But can we be ready? Yes, we can. Hola bafethu, it is your big homie Palo. Aribunga business elespane bafethu. Let's start by defining AGI, Artificial General Intelligence. AI is what we see today, right? It does one task, it does one job very well. If you wanted to chat, it chats. If you needed to make pictures for you, it makes pictures. A few decisions here and there. It's usually one task. But still, it's a very, very helpful tool. AGI, on the other hand, is a whole different beast, guys. It thinks across different fields, and in a way, it learns like a human being. It can even solve problems that it wasn't trained to solve. And if you think about it, that shift is as big as when we moved from horse carts all the way to us having spaceships. And that's why all these tech giants are fighting so hard in this artificial intelligence race. And think about it, guys. Whoever controls AGI controls the future. And I'm sure the first thing in your mind, you're like, okay, cool, but how does this affect me here in South Africa? La Mzansi. Here's how it'll affect people, right? First thing is jobs.
What do you mean by that?
You see, the call center industry employs tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people across the country. Those jobs later on could be affected by AGI. Yeah, and this could happen in the next few years. Even data capturing jobs, admin jobs, and jobs with a lot of repetitive tasks. All these could potentially be at risk. I mean, even teaching, medicine, driving schools, law, you name it. And when you really think about it, when AGI is in full motion, these could potentially be at risk in a few years. The truth is, as a country, as we stand right now, we are not fully prepared for AGI. Our policies haven't aligned to AGI, not even AI. Our schools aren't teaching future-proof skills at the moment. And this could mean the gap between the rich and the poor could expand widely. But look, this doesn't have to crush us. I'm not saying that. We should at least know how to position ourselves for when AGI starts pushing. Now, let's talk about opportunity, right? Every disruption brings opportunity, guys. Think about it. Ne? When the internet started growing, other people were scared, especially when it comes to privacy. But the ones who learned how to code, they're still running their businesses to this day. Some have actually built empires. The pandemic came and pharmaceutical companies I can't say that. Pharmaceutical companies took the opportunity and ran with it. But listen carefully, every time in history when new technology scared people, the ones who adapted became leaders of the new era. So we shouldn't let fear paralyze us. Actually, let it wake you up. I mean, the fact that you're watching this means you actually kind of care, about where we're going with this AI thing. And guess what? It puts you ahead of most. Now, your part, what is your part? Start small, learn free AI tools, play with them, build your confidence. Follow where the jobs are going, not where they've been. And most importantly, stay alert. I mean, guys, AGI isn't science fiction anymore. It's right here at our doorstep. And literally, it's coming faster than South Africa is ready. And yes, a lot of people are like, yo, is it going to take jobs? Is it going to take jobs? That shouldn't be the question. The question is, when it starts taking jobs, will you be there to take advantage of it? And as I always say, knowledge is a powerful weapon. Arm yourselves, and thanks for watching, guys.